Hello everyone. So as we have seen in our last session about what is SAP and what are the responsibility for a SAP basis consultant. Now we are going to learn about the topic ERP. What is ERP? ERP is a management technique in which every enterprise function, HR, finance, manufacturing, supply chain and customers is integrated in a seamless flow of information. So if you see in any company, there will be departments by name HR, accounting, purchase, production planning, sales and distribution, production planning, and so and so. This all will make a flow of information. This is what we call as an ERP. Let us describe an example what exactly an ERP. So here if you see a client approaches the sales team for a particular product. Sales team approaches the inventory team to check the availability of the product. In this case, the product is out of stock. So the sales team, what they will do? They will now approach the production planning department for manufacturing the product. So the production planning team checks with inventory for the availability of raw material. If the raw material is not available within the inventory, then the planning team buys the raw material from the vendors. Then the production planning forwards the raw material to the shop floor execution for actual production. So once ready, then what shop floor execution team will forward the goods to the sales team. Then the sales team updates the finance team with revenue generated by the sales of the product. So the production planning team updates the finance team with the payments to be made to different vendors for raw material. So the all departments approaches HR for any HR related issues. That is the typical business process for any of the manufacturing company. So this is how the ERP works for any company. An ERP system automates and integrates core business process such as taking customer orders, scheduling operations, and keeping inventory records and financial data. ERP system can drive huge improvements in the effectiveness of any organization by assisting you in defining your business processes and ensuring they are complied with throughout the supply chain, and protecting your critical business data through well-defined roles and security access. And they can improve the effectiveness of any organization by enabling you to plan your workload based on existing orders and forecast. It also improve in providing you with the tools to give a high level of service to your customers. And with the ERP, it improves the effectiveness of any organization by translating your data into decision making information. So this is what the advantages of an ERP. Let us see more benefits of ERP for your business. Integration across all business process. To realize the full benefits of an ERP system, it should be fully integrated into all aspects of your business, from the customer facing front end through planning and scheduling to the production and distribution of the products you make. Second benefit is automation enhances productivity. That means by automating aspects of business processes, ERP makes them more efficient, less prone to error, and faster. It also frees up people from mundane tasks such as balancing data. And third benefit is increase overall performance. That is, by integrating disparate business processes, ERP ensures coherence and avoids duplication, discontinuity, and people working at cross purposes in different parts of the organization. The cumulative positive effect when business processes integrate well is overall superior performance by the organization. This is one of the most important benefit. And fourth benefit is quality reports and performance analysis. Means analysis on ERP will enable you to produce financial and boardroom quality reports as well as to conduct analysis on the performance of your organization. Lastly but least, integrates across the entire supply chain. A best of breed ERP system should extend beyond your organization and integrate with both your supplier and customer systems to ensure full visibility and efficiency across your supply chain. These are some benefits of ERP for your business. So I hope you enjoyed this session. In our next session, we'll be learning about the SAP product and system landscapes. Thank you so much. Bye.